Hey guys, welcome back to the Decon Detailing YouTube channel. Today we got a special surprise. We have the new ceramic coating by Koch Chemie, probably the first in the United States to arrive here for an unboxing. So many of you might not know, but Koch Chemie is a product out of Germany, or is a company out of Germany. They recently came out with their ceramic coating. It's supposed to be rated for 2 years. However, the Germans don't like to put a end date on things. And so I like to underestimate, so this could last longer. Currently this is as far as I know, this is the only one that's been in the United States so far. I got this shipped to me by a friend who found it on found a German company that would ship it to the United States. I jumped on board and was like, heck yeah, let's get this thing over here, and here we have it today. Please, after this video goes out, please don't go and ask anybody from Koch Chemie when it's coming, because they can't get it yet, or at least they can't get it shipped in bulk quantities yet. I was only able to get this one box shipped over, and I'm surprised I even got this one over here. So please don't go bother them just because I have it over here. So let's get into it. So right now we have this nice all-around box. So this is their ceramic all-around. There's nice little warning labels and stuff all around it. It says right here, ceramic all-around. So you can see it says ceramic all-around, and it has all the different names for it in different languages, just like the traditional Koch Chemie product. So it is a ceramic coating, or a ceramic sealant as they say. The bodyguard, the paint bodyguard. Alright, so let's get into opening it. And as you can see, it's got the nice little bodyguard booklet. I assume this is just this little instruction manual and tells you how to apply it. So we'll read that later. It comes with some little stickers. That way you can put on to your windshields of customers' cars that you apply it to, so that they can know when it's been applied and know how long it's good for. So this is a customer care card. It has their name, phone number, just basic information. And then on the back, I'm assuming for warranty purposes, they include, you know, the 12-month, 24-month, and 36-month check. That way when they come in, you can write down when it was inspected and maintained. That way, I'm assuming for warranty purposes, you can show that the customer has done their due diligence to maintain the coating, and that you have as well as the applier. Alright, so next, big little box. Very nice packaging, by the way. So here we have a couple of applicators. So these are the microspray applicators. They give you a block to put it on. So just a typical foam block with a soft sponge interface to prevent any more of the coating soaking into the block. So these are really nice. They give you a microfiber applicator, or a microfiber towel to buff off the coating. It feels similar to like a Rag Company Edgeless 365, kind of a shorter nap side. It is dual pile, but it's basically a short nap microfiber towel. As you can see, it's a pretty short nap towel. It's soft, so this is what they give you in the package to buff off your coating. And then finally, we have the ginormous bottle. Now finally, we have the ginormous bottle of C0.01. So this is the ceramic coating, their ceramic all around. As you can see, just like in the traditional sense, they have their cut and gloss or finish ability on it. Not that a ceramic coating is supposed to cut it all, so it's at a 0. if you can see. So it's at a 0 with a gloss capability of 9.9, so the maximum amount that it could be. This comes in a 100 milliliter bottle that's filled with 75 milliliters of coating. That way it gives room for expansion. The coating has all around the same labels as everything else. Alright, so that is everything that's in the box that it came with. So we got the microfiber towel, the applicator block, the towels for it, the stickers for the windshield when you're done applying it, and the customer care card. Came with really nice packaging, including the kind of the promotional style bodyguard vest label, and a 75 milliliter bottle of the coating itself. Now I will say, if you have a car, or if you have multiple cars, this would be good for you. If you're only doing one car, you might want to find something else to coat, because you will not use all 75 milliliters on your one car. You might use 20, 15 to 20 if you have a small car, 30 milliliters for a larger truck. So if you don't have a lot of cars, I definitely recommend trying to find someone who wants their car coated afterwards, because you will have a lot of coating left. I will be applying this to a vehicle soon, and I'll make a video on that. I'll also be doing it on a test hood. That way you guys can see first just how it operates, how it reacts, how it flashes off, does it rainbow, does it sweat. That way I can give you guys some insight on the hydrophobics with it, and anything else that I find out when applying it. As of now, I don't know of a topper for it, so this is just a standalone ceramic sealant or a ceramic coating. So it's not like the Car Pro ceramic coatings that have a base coat and a top coat, or the G-Technic coatings that have a base coat and top coat. This one is a solo coating. It actually took the Germans quite a while to come out with this ceramic coating, because they were really doing their testing to make sure that they had the best product to put out in the market, and they're not just trying to go with the hype and try to get a ceramic coating out that doesn't work. So they stand by this product 100%. They say it lasts for 2 years. However, like I said, they underpromise a lot, and it usually lasts longer. So that way, if it lasts longer, you're more happier with it. So this is a two-year coating. The customer care cards have a check mark for 36 months, so it could go up to 3 years. So it could go up to 3 years depending on how you maintain your coatings. So as long as it's garage kept, out from the salt, and not getting destroyed and being treated with high pH soaps, the coating should last you a couple years, if not more. I'm really excited to be able to try this coating out. And if you guys have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be glad to answer them once I get this applied and have a little bit of knowledge on it. Like I said, this is not available in the United States yet through the Koch Chemie distributors. I got this by kind of going around the back way of ordering things, and ordered it straight from Germany from a friend, or ordering through a friend who ordered it straight from Germany, and it arrived here I think in a week and a half, 2 week time frame. So it's a really quick turnaround. Like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you haven't already, go like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. It's at Decon Detailing, where I'll be doing a lot of reviews and product testing with all 75 milliliters of this bottle. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.